The OPI Assessment Workshops is 4 days of professional development in which language educators dive into the concepts of proficiency, how this relates to oral or spoken language, and how this can impact their classroom. The 4 days are packed. It's participatory, informative, and you get to meet new people.
It will change the way you think about the way you teach.
During the first 2 days, participants will spend the majority of their time learning about the proficiency guidelines and how it applies to spoken language. During the 3rd and 4th days, they bring in speakers of all proficiency levels in the target languages to conduct practice OPI interviews.
It often surprises the participants when they come that we're going to have live volunteers for them to interview, and they're like, no, really? In front of everybody? And yeah, that's what we're doing. We're going to give you the chance to actually do this.
This workshop has taught me to reframe how I see my students' proficiency in terms of what they can do and what they're able to do in a communicative sense, rather than just what do they know about English.
My favorite part about this experience is seeing other teachers, whether they be teachers from the university setting or the high school setting, and seeing how interested they are in not only wanting to get certified, but also be able to use this information to help their teaching and their colleagues, and help students ultimately be able to speak another language effectively.
To interact with colleagues in an intensive way over 4 days. That makes the workshop really special.
We've learned from each other as a community. We've helped each other, we've supported each other.
If you want to become a better foreign language teacher and want to help your students reach the goal they would achieve the best, this is a place you will learn a lot, and also you will make friends with your peer educators, and this is a great experience at a great, beautiful place.